Hi, in this video I will tell you that how we can make animated skyward text animation just like this. So first of all we have to download the image from the unsplash.com or Pixabay. That's all about you. So I will just insert a picture from it. So this is the beautiful picture that I downloaded from unsplash.com. You can download it from anywhere you'd like. So then after that I will take some text. I will insert text. For this I will come home and then I will draw a text box and I will write some random text. So this is a random text, but it cannot be seen clearly because it is black and on the black background. So we will change the color to yellow. You can change according to your need. You can increase the the font size of the text. Then after you just come here, right click on the text box, go to the format shape. In the format shape you will just click this one, come here to 3D rotation. In the 3D rotation you will just select the presets. In the preset you will select this preset relaxed. Okay, now you see that how this this text looks like. Now you can increase the angle, you can make it little bit more horizontal, something like this. You can do according to your requirements. So I make it little bit more like this, little bit more bigger, and we'll make, I think, up to 100. It looks fine. Okay, so next I will just I will add animation to it. So I will take it little bit down so that the animation will start from the bottom and will go to the upside. So for this I will go to the animation, and after animation I will just come here and I will select path animation. Now you see that the path animation is 2 point, the red and the green. The red means that it will end here. From the green point it start and the red it ends. So I will change the direction of animation. I want to animate in the upward direction. So I will select this red point and take it to upside. But I will take these text till at the top of the slide. Okay, now see that now let's check that's how this animation look. This animation is correct, but it does not look fine because the text is too much bigger. So I will add another animation so that the size will decrease as long as it move forward. So I will come here and select the grow and shrinks. So I will just double click on it. I will change from 150 to 35%. It's all about your text, but I will change it here to 35. Okay, and I will double click on the path animation also, and I will make it 0 because I don't like smooth start and smooth end. I like the whole animation to be smooth, so that's why I will make it 000 and then okay. I will select both. I will make a little bit bigger so that you can see that what I am doing. I will just right click on it and I will select start with previous, and after that I will increase the time, I mean up to 10 or 15 seconds. So the duration of both, as I selected the both animations, so the duration of the both animation should be 15 minutes. So I will press enter. 15 seconds, not minute. Now let's see that how it looks in the PowerPoint now. So animation is looking something like this. It's look quite good, but the one thing that is missing is that these texts are not disappearing. It just go in this direction. So for this I will just select this image, and I will take a copy, Control C, Control V, or copy paste. So now these two are same image, but I will make these two image as align, so that I can make the animations that text should be disappear doing this. So let me show you that what I mean from it. I just select the top image. These are two images now, but I will select the top image only, and I will go to the format picture, and then I will come here and crop the image. So I will just crop up to 50%, or it's all up to you, but I like 50%. So now these are two images, you can see it. So now let's see that how the animation look like now. I will just come here, slideshow. So let's see it, that how this animation look like now. Now you see it that these animation are disappearing, but I want that the whole text should be disappear. So I just increase the length of this lane animation. So I will drag this one up to here, okay. So now you see the animation, that how this animation looks beautiful. Now you can see that the whole animation just disappeared during the whole text disappeared during this animation. So that's all about that how these animations, and that you can make this skyward animation by yourself and PowerPoint presentation. So if you need any question, or if you want to make something the video on other topic that you have, you can drop in your comment section. I will check it that if the animations are possible in PowerPoint, so I will make it. Thank you very much.